Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the park, and today's episode we'll be learning how to shoot the best photos without any flashes, only using natural light. What to avoid, how we can benefit from the natural light. Check it out, guys. It's amazing, right? You cannot see that stuff in the studio, right? So check it out. Today I have Anastasia with me, and we're gonna be showing you guys how to rock the portraits.
John, are you ready?
I am, and the goose is also. By the way, the goose is the special guest today. First thing first, guys, when you're using natural light, we need to understand one thing. We can use the shadows, or you can stand in direct sunlight. But the biggest mistake is many photographers are starting to learn, and even after they already learned many things, they go like Anastasia stay there. You understand? If we're gonna shoot the photo against the sun, it's gonna be super overexposed, as you can see here. See, it's overexposed. It's not good. So, understanding the light is we need to be a little different. You need not to be taking photos in front of against the sun, but you need to be in the front of the sun. The model needs to be pointing at the sun, so you don't overexpose the photo. As you're gonna see now, nice example when the photo is not overexposed, because I didn't shoot at the sun, but again in front of the sun. So one more thing, guys, come here. So we can use shadows also we can use shadows. So Anastasia can go in the shadow under the tree. Yeah, stay, go a little bit more in that shade, like there, more, back more. Okay, so a little bit more here. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We did use the shadows again, so we hide it from the sun, so we can make this photo like this. Okay, so understanding that, use the shadows, don't shoot in front of the sun, don't overexpose the images, and they will look good. And guys, you need to be really creative. If you have camera lens 1.4, 2.8, you can be really creative outside. So basically, if Anastasia stands like here, so here, I'm gonna be using 1.4 aperture. And what 1.4 aperture you can do, I can be really creative. Anastasia, look directly there, please. Yeah. Please, more drama in your eyes. More serious, please. More confidence. So you can use really creative ways by shooting wider aperture. So basically, you can be anywhere, anytime. So you can use outside doors as your playground. Any place can be a good place for photography. It's basically what you can how you can become really creative. So basically, even if Anastasia just sits down even here on the grass, right now it looks boring, and you can see like, why would she sit down there? The photo will be boring, right? No. if you use the right way how to take the photo, it's not gonna be boring. So again, as you can see, this is not boring. It looks boring, but it's not boring. In photo, it's not boring as it is in the real life. The real life is boring area, but in photos it looks more interesting. She loves nature. She really loves, but the thing is, like, I understood that not all models love nature, right? Some models are made for studio. You will ask why? Because right here we have some bugs. You can see, I don't know. You have some bugs? Maybe. And Anastasia doesn't feel comfortable, so she threw this down. You understand? But for that second, when I asked her to be super emotional, we made something like this. As much as she hates nature, she loves nature, right? So it's your mission as a photographer to make those emotions, even in the worst scenarios. Like this is for her the worst scenario because she doesn't like bugs, right? So make the things right at the moment. It's not always, you don't always need to be serious. You need to have a good time with the model as well, right? Because Anastasia is having a really great time right now. As I'm saying, always be serious, yeah, for the nice photos. But right now she's like a monkey dancing, you see. So it's not always about the serious. Enjoy your time. The nice thing about being outside is exploring, finding your right spot where to take the best photos. You can see we're again in a different park right now. You can see this area, beautiful. But we need to find the right spot. Where is the spot? Anastasia? Really? Let's go check it out, guys. Now basically, as you saw, we're just going around the park, finding the best spot because the right spot matters, right guys? And right here we're gonna be taking a really nice, beautiful summer photo, summer edition, summer 25, summer Latvia style with John and Anastasia. And by the way, shout out to the filming director, Dasha. She was model before, but now she's a director. Shout out to Dasha. So basically, this is a really nice place, right? This is beautiful. This is like, oh, imagine being here, right? Making true art. So what we're gonna do now? Anastasia, please take the best spot. What I'm gonna do is put my backpack down. Anastasia, please sit down. Please sit down, like sit down, sit down, sit down. And now you need to enjoy the moment. I know it's hard because the sun is over there, but as I said, you need to face the sun as a model, not photographer, to not overexpose the photo, right? Anastasia, you ready?
Yep.
So check it out. Anastasia, please, I need more emotions. Feel free, this is summer, we are in a park. We are finally in the summer. As you can see here, a really nice portrait. Why not, guys? And let's try again. Let's go one more time. Anastasia, go sit down over there again, please. Gonna try again to make it more better for you. Right now we're gonna take it from a different angle, not from down, but from the up. Love the moment, love the place, love the photographer. Ah, this is truly beautiful, guys. Because you understand, the model needs to love the photographer, right? If she doesn't like the photographer, doesn't love her, what the photographer is doing, it's not gonna be a good guy. Right? Anastasia really needs to know and love where she is right now. Let's do it again. Flip it from another perspective. Anastasia, let's close it down again. But this time, guys, you have to take super close. Down Anastasia, please. Stay much lower here. Pick it up. Think of something deep. Let the wind blow. Enjoy the moment. We are and now you can see we took the close ones. Beautiful, right? So we can make different scenarios in one place, in one park. Just need to find the right spot, guys. Because Anastasia and John knows what he's doing. Today I have a special model with me. Her name is Anastasia.
Scheiße.
Nah, never love it. So, and today's model, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my latest episode of JB's Learning Photography School, where today I'm gonna be learning and then learn. Jan is gonna be learning and then learning.